Welcome to Health and Lifestyle. My name is Linia Mayanja. I'm a dentist at Mazima Dental Clinic, found in Mbarara City, Bananuka Drive. Today's topic is about teeth replacement. Teeth replacement is replacing teeth when someone has gaps in the teeth. We have different types of teeth. We have dentures, then we have bridges and crowns. Then we have implants. Dentures are teeth which are not fixed in the mouth. You put them maybe when you are going to eat, then you remove them when you are going to sleep. Then the bridges and crowns, those ones are permanently fixed in the mouth. So you'll find a bridge, you would fit it like on a tooth like this, so you don't have to remove it. Yes. Then the denture, the difference is this one you remove, then when you are going to sleep, but you can stay with it, no one is able to see it. Each one has disadvantage and advantage. Of course, the denture is one of the advantages. It is cheap. Then the disadvantage is you have to keep on removing it every night you are going to sleep. Then a bridge is a bit expensive compared to a denture. But the advantage of a bridge is once it is fixed there, you don't have to remove it. Then there is an implant. So an implant is made in such a way that you first drill the bone. After drilling the bone, then you fix the tooth there. The disadvantage of an implant is number one, it is a bit very expensive. Number two, at times the body can reject that pin which you first put in the bone. Then who is fit to wear dentures? Of course, someone who has lost teeth is the one who is fit to wear dentures, and someone's oral hygiene has to be a bit good. So when someone has a poor oral hygiene, is not fit for either a denture or a bridge. The durability, for this one, it depends on, for the denture, it depends on how you keep it. If you keep it poorly, it is going to break like the way this one broke. So this one, they had brought it for repair. So it broke, someone stepped on it. So, but if it is not that, it can even take like 20 years or 10. I've seen people have one denture for 20 years. Maybe when you wear it for a long time, at times it becomes loose. So you have to come back and we align it. All these ones are made from here at Mazima Dental Clinic. You just wait for like maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour, then you go out with your teeth. success rate, it depends on oral hygiene. Then another thing you can talk about is how can we prevent our teeth from going all through this. So you'll find the major cause of people losing teeth. Number one is dental caries. Dental caries is when you find holes in the teeth. So when you find holes in the teeth and you don't go for dental treatment when it is still early, might end up losing your teeth. Then another one is gum or periodontal disease. We have periodontal diseases like these ones. So you can see, like here, already the teeth are already loose because of inadequate cleaning. So these ones can also lead to tooth loss. So the major prevention is brushing at least twice or thrice a day, even after a meal. Having good diet, especially good in vitamins and vegetables, fruits, then regular dental checkups, and avoiding taking refined sugar like biscuits, sweets, and those ones are the major causes of people leading to teeth loss. Then another cause would be maybe having accident, where you find someone has to do what? Has to lose the teeth. So for dentures, the cost ranges from 100,000. That is the first tooth. Then additional tooth, we normally charge 30,000. Then for a bridge, we have two types of bridges. There is that one which has a metal inside. This one is a bit expensive compared to this one. So this one, the range is between 400 to 500 per point or per tooth that is missing. Then this one, the one which does not have the metal base inside, each one is it ranges between 200 to 250 per tooth per point. These ones can take like they take 1 day. These ones, because we have to fabricate this metal inside, we normally take 2 to 3 days to fabricate that tooth. That is all we can talk about teeth replacement. Anyone who could be having queries, you call 0705 873387 or 0774 987722, or you can visit us at our offices or clinic, Bananuka Drive, Barara Town, opposite Bam Petrol Station. I conclude by telling people that these teeth are very precious. We use them to smile, we use them to eat, and when you lose teeth, of course you don't look good. Thank you very much. Keep on watching Health and Lifestyle program.